Welcome to Palmeras Corner House, a newly renovated tropical retreat in the heart of beautiful Dominicalito Bay, Costa Rica. Surrounded by lush greenery and peaceful tropical energy, this property combines privacy, comfort, and incredible investment potential all in one location. This newly renovated tropical property is perfectly located in a peaceful and safe neighborhood surrounded by lush jungle gardens, only a 3-minute walk from the famous Poza Azul waterfall and just 5 minutes from the beach. What makes this property truly special is its flexibility and investment potential. The property features 2 independent living units. The main home offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a cozy living room, and a full kitchen. The second unit also includes 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, its own kitchen, and a private entrance, making it ideal for vacation rentals, long-term income, or hosting family and friends. The property is approved for both residential and commercial use, opening the doors for a cafe, smoothie bar, surf shop, boutique business, or creative tropical concept. Located only minutes from Dominical, Uvita, world-class waterfalls, surfing beaches, restaurants, and nature adventures, this property combines lifestyle, location, and opportunity all in one. This is more than a home. This is your tropical lifestyle investment in one of the fast-growing beach communities in Costa Rica. Welcome to Palmeras Corner House.